Welcome, in front of me is a BLUBOO S8 and today I'll show you how to enter the factory mode on this device. So to get started you want to hold power key, select power off and simply wait for the device to shut off. And once it has, which will be indicated by the vibration of the device, you then want to hold power key and volume down. So, oops, right now it has turned off, so let's hold power key, volume down. And you will let go of the power key once the logo of the device pops up on the screen. Okay, so you can see I now have let go of the power key, but I do keep holding the volume down. And when you see anything in the corner you can let go. We're now in the factory mode. And then here you can run all kinds of tests, and now you have, I believe, the first one is the manual or automatic, then the second one is manual, and there's like a couple different ones of them. If you're exactly interested what is written in here, you can search up factory mode online, and you should be able to also find a English version of this. And now here it's not in English, but you will at least be able to distinguish what each one of them does. But primarily it's used to reset the device and just test each component of the phone if it's working correctly. And you scroll down through it only using volume down, so it will go down and then cycle back up, as you can see. And whatever you have selected, you then confirm it with the power key. Now I want to leave this mode, so I'm going to select the last option, which is actually reboot, and then press power key, and you can see the device is now rebooting. And there we go, now we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.